What's up, HDAY fans? Brian and Nick here, and we're gonna start this off with a share contest. So hit the share button and you're gonna be entered to win one of the prizes for today. And to let you guys know, we do real contests with real prizes. We still have from the CIVIC contest with the CIVIC carbon fiber sunglasses.
These things are fire.
We're still waiting for the winner. Fernando Castro, if you're watching this, check your DMs. Nick DM'd you to tell you that you won, and your CIVIC carbon fiber sunglasses, we're waiting to ship them. And last week's winner,
Vincent Arocho.
Vincent Arocho, check your DM from Nick. He DM'd you to let you know you won. You got an HDAY prize pack from last week. But hit the share button because we got prize packs to give away today. Not one, we've got 3. And to show you guys what we're giving away, this is actually going to be, we're actually revealing what today's unboxing is going to be.
It's fire.
Because the giveaways, the CIVIC glasses were the giveaway when we revealed all the CIVIC carbon fiber parts for the SI. We're going to show you guys what wheels we're putting on the SI this week. Take a guess what it is in the comments. Nick, you know what it is already?
I'm excited. I'm really excited.
Because he saw the boxes, but we got rims from our friends over at Mackin Industries. We've got a set of gram lights. So we're gonna show you guys. Nick has no idea which model gram lights they are, what color they are, what size they are. But more importantly, hit the share button to show everybody what wheels we're getting.
We also had some HDAY bags to give away.
That's right. We got three t-shirts to give away. And we're also gonna throw in 3 HDAY prize packs. So 3 sets. You're gonna get gram light t-shirt and an HDAY bag full of HDAY goodies. Hit the share button.
Share that video.
All right, so to start things off, what do you want to do? The unboxing first, or show you guys what updates are going to go on the SI today, because Team HDAY has a car ready to go, a lot of parts to install. I'm going to ask Mark, what do you want to see first? The unboxing, or what parts are going on the car first?
The unboxing.
The unboxing?
All right,
let's go to the unboxing. Come with me. And we're going to show you guys what wheels came in.
You can't show the brand.
I just told them it's gram lights. They saw the shirts
I want them.
are gram lights. So first reveal, they're 18-inch. We won't show you exactly what model they are just yet. Nick, you gotta grab us some cutters, pliers, so we can open up this box.
I got a screwdriver.
And this is thanks to our friends over at Mackin Industries. We're gonna be putting on a set of 18-inch gram lights. Pop. Show you guys. Gotta give them the, bring it in, Mark. Show the live reveal right here. You guys are seeing this for the first time, just like we're seeing it. Every time we get a set of wheels from Mackin, raised wheels, the packaging.
Hit the like button right now if you guys are ready to see the wheels. Hit the share button if you guys are ready to see the wheels.
Hit the share button if you want to win a shirt that's for these wheels.
Yeah. Maybe you could win the car if you won the shirt.
Where'd the wheels come from? What country? JDM wheels.
Mad JDM.
Mad JDM.
Oh,
this is the first time I'm seeing these.
Oh,
yeah.
Why they put a garbage bag on?
Hold on. Because it's from Japan.
Oh, the JDM.
Oh. It's a JDM plastic bag, bro.
Do you see this?
Do you guys see this?
Hold up.
Here, you hold this up. Hold this up.
There's a tag on it. That's how you know they mad JDM. They put a tag on the wheel.
We've got the gram lights. These are called the 57 Transcends. This is also one of the limited edition versions because you see, not only is it black, but it has the red trim on it. 18 by 8s, 45 inset, and of course 114 by 114.3. Perfect for a 2018 Civic Si.
Yo, I think the tag says JDM. Oh, it says JDM. My bad.
Bring it over to the car, give them an idea of what it's gonna look like when it's on the car. I think it's a great color combo with the black car, gonna have the black and red wheels.
Oh, this game looks fire.
And bring it over there, yeah.
Dang. It's kind of tight right now. It's kind of tight.
You guys visualizing this right now?
Oh, snap.
Oh, it's even got the raised trim right here.
It's gonna have more power and that JDM.
We didn't even get to the power yet. We're talking about the wheels right now. Because we
not
are
ready.
doing some upgrades today with the power. Guys, these are gonna look sick. Shout out to Mackin Industries, Graham light wheels. And they're light too. You can get 2 of these going right here. This is gonna look sick.
It's
So
leg day.
let's leave this right over here. And we got Brandon over here from Team HDAY wrenching on the car already. Like the title says, live unboxing. You guys just seen what came in today. And we've got live wrenching going down. Brandon already started taking a bunch of things out. It looks like you got the intake out already because, let me show you guys what we're working with over here. Nick, we figured out to put all the giveaways on the side. Again, if you want to win the giveaways, Graham Lights t-shirt, HDAY prize packs,
Let's
hit
get
the
it.
share button.
Let's
Hit the
get
share
it.
button.
Yo, it's not fake out here, dog. We out here giving stuff away.
We're waiting for the winners too. Fernando Castro, check your DMs. We're waiting for you to answer us. And who's the winner for the prize pack?
Vincent, I forgot your last name.
He's gonna check you.
Let me check. I got you. Vincent Arocho. Remember, guys, we need you guys to message us back for you guys to claim your prize. We did our part. We want to give you guys your prizes.
That's right. So let's move on to see what Team HDAY is installing in the car today. Make your way over here, Mark.
Come here.
We got a lot of goodies, go fast goodies from PRL Motorsports.
Check it out.
So we got the upgraded intake because the 2018 Civic Si is stock boosted.
Yep, stock boosted, but
We gonna make it fast.
we gonna make it faster.
With the PRL Motorsports intercooler, all the piping, you see all the piping laid out right here. And we also have the PRL Motorsports intake.
They sent us all the hardware also for all this stuff.
Of course, we need the hardware to get it on there. Also, if we have time today, I know we have the Hasport mounts that are gonna be going onto the car too. So if there's enough time today, not only are we gonna be doing the intercooler, PRL Motorsports intercooler piping, we're also gonna be doing the Hasport mounts. And I know Brandon took the bumper off earlier, so I'll show you guys this. So remember, if you didn't see it last week, we have a lot of Civon carbon fiber goodies going on the car. And excuse us because the car wasn't washed before you started wrenching on it. We have the carbon fiber grill, Civon carbon fiber grill. Don't worry guys, it's gonna get clean. The car will be show quality detailed before one winner gets it on September 15th. But we've got the Civon carbon fiber grill test fitted right now. Nick, pick up that side over there. Hold it real nice. It's not really mounted yet. As you guys can see right there, this is gonna look sick. And then I know we're also adding a front lip, and Civon also sent us the trunk, if I'm not mistaken, Nick.
The trunk, the hatch is over there.
The hatch.
Actually on the,
So we got a lot of carbon fiber stuff to still install.
you know. All right.
We're
Stay
good?
ready,
We're
stay
good?
ready. Yeah.
Want to win this car? Modified, upgraded by Team HDAY, 2018 Civic Si. You got to be at Maryland International Raceway. Tell them what dates.
September 14th and 15th, but we give away the car on the 15th.
That's right. But you can enter to win September 14th and 15th. How much does it cost? It's free. Anyone who comes to the event, spectators, racers, car show competitors, all you guys can enter to win right here. Show them, Mark. The 2018 Civic Si.
Get hyped! Get hyped!
All event information, hday.com. We hope to see you guys there. We're only 4 weeks away. How many weeks away?
4 weeks!
How many weeks?
4!
For your chance to win this car.
Brian, and if they want to, if they don't want to wait in the line when they sign up, they can download that HDAY.
Yes, download the HDAY app before you even get to the event. You could win the Civic Si with the Graham light wheels and all these upgrades that we're doing. We got more upgrades coming. That right there, that's the Civon carbon fiber hood. The hood's already on the car. We got a lot of modifications to still do on the car.
We're going lightweight, more power, and that JDM.
What he said. So if you want to win this car, you want your chance to win, HDAY.com, full event information. You have to be at the event September 14th and 15th for your chance to enter, because you need a ticket. You got the unique numbers on the tickets that you're gonna need to either enter on the HDAY phone app, or if you don't want to install the app on your phone, no problem. Come over to the iPads. It's gonna be located right next to the main stage, and you could use one of our iPads to enter for your chance to win. And like Nick said, you gotta be there on Sunday, September 15th.
When we do the drawings,
That's the day. That's the day we do the drawings. It's real simple. Just enter. Takes a couple seconds, if not a couple minutes. Really easy. And
the event's
Sunday.
gonna be insane. You got drag racing, you got a giveaway card, the lifestyle stage vendors, everything's gonna be lit.
You missed the most important part. Bro, the car show.
Oh,
VIP car show registration is now open, so if you got a sick Honda and you want it in some of the best parts of the car show, sign up and register for the car show.
the VIP is insane.
That's right, you need to be in that VIP car show area. The only way to park in the VIP car show area, you gotta register online. Hit it up, HDAY.com. You're gonna find the link to register your car online. But don't worry, if you got a Honda, you just wanna be part of the event, we got you covered. You can buy a car show ticket at the gate. We have thousands of Hondas inside of the event. Any Honda, you got a Honda, Acura, whatever it is, you want to park it inside the event, you can bring it in the car show. Because we only take Hondas and Acuras inside the event. You got to have a Honda Acura inside the event, and it's either got to be racing or you got to park it in the car show.
It's always a good time.
We got a lot of people who are like, oh, I got a stock Honda, I don't want to put it in the car show.
You don't have to.
Listen, bro. You don't have to literally put it in the car show. We got an area, you just let our car show parkers know, like, yo, I just wanted to bring my car inside to be part of the event. No problem, you know. Tell them you don't want it judged, you're just here to chill, hang out. They'll put it in a separate area, but you're still inside the event.
Yep.
And it's a lot better than having to take that walk that some of those spectators have to take. So there is free spectator parking, but if you got a Honda or Acura, you might as well bring it inside, chill with. That's the whole reason why we got the event. So you could chill with the rest of all the Honda Acura owners that are gonna be there. The thousands and thousands of people that are gonna be there.
Meet the people that share the same passion as you.
Right.
It's gonna be an amazing experience. If you have not been to HDAY yet, highly recommend you guys coming to HDAY. And you can win a free car.
2018 Civic SI.
32 miles
2018.
per gallon. How do you? And it's gonna have more power. What?
He's excited. Could you tell? He's excited.
This car is amazing.
So we got the Graham lights today. Go get the lug nuts. We gotta show them the lug nuts.
On my way.
We got the lug nuts too. We're doing all the PRL Motorsports upgrades. We're not stopping there. We got the Hasport mounts. We got the K-Tune suspension. We got all the Cybon carbon fiber parts to put on it.
Not JDM.
They also sent us the lug nuts. Hit the share button, enter for your chance to win one of the prize packs that we got today. We're giving away 3 prize packs this week. Graham Light t-shirt, HDAY prize pack. And we can't end the video without shouting out all our event sponsors, because the event would not be possible without them. Saenz Performance HDAY Fall 2019. It's going down, guys. Maryland International Raceway, September 14th and 15th. Shout out to all our associate sponsors, Vibrant Performance, Brian Crowder, HPS Performance, Garrett Turbo Systems, and we can't forget our class sponsors. We got the Wiseco Sport Front Wheel Drive class. We got the 4-piston all-motor class, OGS 1320 Nitro all-motor class.
Excuse you, we got a new class sponsor, JBRE.
You're right. You're right.
Forgot.
Because it's the brand new class sponsor.
Yup, brand new class
JBRE Nitro all-motor. That class is gonna be crazy. 4-piston all-motor class is gonna be crazy.
It's gonna be a crazy amount of racing, heads up, and that track prep is gonna be on point.
I know you already told me the other day, like, Brian, these guys are hitting me up that they're coming, that they're racing.
Excited.
We'll keep them. You gotta come to the event, because we got some heavy hitters saying that they're taking. How many hours was that guy driving for? That was like 12 hours, right?
You got people coming from Florida, Texas, it's
Canada,
gonna be insane.
literally all across the U.S. to be at this event. But I gotta finish off. I got the fueler injector bracket class. We got the Exidy clutch 1150 index. We got the competition clutch 1050 index, cylinder support system 950 index, and of course the Saibon Car Show. Get your car in. If you got a really dope, really ill Honda Acura, register at hday.com for the VIP section. How many cars you accepted already? Because I've seen, I'm on Instagram, so I see you posting up all the cars that have been getting accepted.
We're at 100 right now. We're at 100 cars.
Heard? We got 4 weeks to go. Guys, sign on hday.com. Team HDAY is going to get back to work, finish up these installs. We'll be back with another update. For now, follow us on Instagram at official HDAY. You're already on our Facebook because you're watching this.
Don't forget to share this video. We only mentioning it because we want to give back to the fans.
That's right. That's right.
And
real prizes, Fernando.
Come on, Fernando.
Castro, hit us up. We're trying to give you these Saibon glasses.
They're
right here.
actually carbon fiber, dog. We trying to. Come on, bro. If you don't want them, just let me know.
No. You ain't. We waiting for Fernando. Fernando, we're waiting for you. Hit us up.
Vincent, you too, man.
Vincent who?
I forgot his last name again.
Vincent
Arachogo.
We're waiting to give you your prize pack. We want to ship it to you. 3 of you who shared this video today, you guys are getting prize packs. Hit us up, hday.com, full event information. 2018 Civic SI could be yours. Saenz Performance HDAY Fall 2019. We're out.
Smash that like button.